Today's recipe is an easy to prepare and convenient one. We're going to pull out the old slow cooker and cook honey mustard chicken. So let's get to it. First thing we need to do is grab a bowl. Place 2 teaspoons of corn flour and 2 teaspoons of dried mustard powder. Add a half a cup of dry white wine and 1 cup of chicken stock and whisk until smooth. Add a quarter cup of whole grain mustard and 2 tablespoons of honey and whisk until smooth. Next, we need to grab 8 chicken thighs and discard any fat that's on them and also the skin. Place them in the bottom of the slow cooker and tip over the honey mixture. Next, we need to add 400 grams of baby carrots into the cooker and cover and put on low for 6 hours. Now 20 more minutes before you get to the 6 hours, you add 1 cup of frozen peas to the cooker and cover for another 20 minutes. At the 6 hour mark, you stir in 1/4 cup of sour cream and season to taste. Served with chopped parsley. You can also serve on a bed of rice. If you've enjoyed this recipe, then subscribe, like and share to my channel, which is Philip's Cooking Recipes, and you might like to check out the recipe that I have up in the corner. And until next time, bye for now.